You're not a mistake, you're not a problem, you're here for a reason. I know you're going through some hard times right now. I know life at times might feel rough, and things might feel frustrating, and you might feel tense. But remember, it's not always going to be like this. Your condition is not a conclusion. So I wish you all a very happy morning. It's me here, Devdina Shukma, and today I'm gonna acknowledge you all about the strongest willpower creature. Yes, about youth. So youth is a remarkable and massive gift of life. Youth is a particular stage of life where an individual is a youth. It's a time period between the adulthood and the childhood. Youth represent the freshness, the spirit, the appearance, and the vigor of an individual. Youth marks different ways according to their various cultural perspective and creates a level of dependency. Youngster feels the power to express their thoughts and opinions without any fear, but it must be noted that all these steps must be exercised cautiously and all these steps must be calculated and planned. It is appropriate and probably the best phase of life where one must try to accomplish the dual goals of character and intelligence. At this specific phase of life, youths are always driven by the freedom, dependency, and the fantasy. You can't be like this, oh, destiny is gonna knock on my door one day. No, it won't. You have to recognize the opportunities because there will be a lot of them that will come into your life. And once you recognize the opportunity, you have to seize the day and work bloody hard. And there's a very great problem in every youth, the afraidness of failure. Don't be afraid of failure. Everyone fails. It's gonna happen to you, it's gonna happen to me, it's gonna happen to everyone. So what? Afraidness of failure is a very important part of our growth. So don't be afraid of failure. That's all. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.